In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Mailchimp campaign step by step so you can start sending professional emails with ease. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head to the Campaigns tab on your dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage everything. Click Create, then choose Email Campaign. Next, Mailchimp gives you two options: start from scratch or use a template. For beginners, I recommend using a basic layout. It's simple, customizable, and a great foundation for designing a clean, engaging email. From here, pick a template that matches your goal, whether you're promoting a product, sharing updates, or connecting with your audience. Once selected, you can customize the content, images, and branding to make it uniquely yours. And that's it. You've just created your Mailchimp campaign. With practice, this process will feel second nature, helping you send emails that build trust and grow your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides.